Hello guys, how's everybody doing? It's been some time since I've had time to make a YouTube video, but since I'm taking this stock X3M that just got unlocked to the dyno today to tune it on some 93 and some ethanol, figured I'd bring you guys along. This is a beautiful car. It's LCI X3M. It's already got a bass tune flashed on it, but also going to be dynoing it on the completely stock tune to see some comparison numbers, so I'll bring you guys along for the ride. Alright guys, got her all strapped down and ready. Gonna run a baseline run on the completely factory tune, and then we're gonna throw a little 93 octane tune on it and see what it makes. Alright, so this is the stock baseline run. So 475 horse, 485 torque, nice and flat. We're gonna go ahead and tune the car and see what it makes on 93. Alright guys, so we just got done doing our baseline pool on the 93 octane. So already some substantial gains over the completely stock tune. Better spool up, better torque, better peak power. Gonna take a look at the data log and see what we have room for improvement or see what needs to be adjusted. Alright guys, after reviewing the log, went ahead and cleaned up the fuel map a little bit, but since this thing has stock cats, I'm not gonna push it any harder on 93, especially because we have ethanol so readily available. So gonna leave it here, nice and safe, repeatable power. Gonna drain the fuel tank now and throw some ethanol and see what it makes on full E. Then we'll add back some of that 93 and see what it makes on E40 or E50, somewhere in that neighborhood. So for any of those that want to just pump straight ethanol on the factory fuel system, you can see what that makes, which will be a little bit less power than a blend, but still more power than this. Alright guys, so it's all wrapped up. So the blue line you see here is stock tune again. The run 2 at 607, that's going to be 93 octane. And then run 8 was on E70, since he doesn't want to mix, he just wants to run pump ethanol. So that made 694, 684 torque. And then I added back a little bit of 93 and got it down to about an E45 mix, and that made 708 and 701. Normally I would expect higher numbers, but that's with downpipes, intakes. With a completely stock car, this is pretty good. The downpipes will definitely free up that extra missing horsepower. I try to bump it up 2-3 pounds of boost, and it made the exact same power, so just brought it back down at 29 pounds, and that made that 708 number. Appreciate you guys for watching.